Hello children, welcome to math class. Today we are going to start the new chapter, that is exponents. For example, 2 into 2 into 2. So how will you write 2 into 2 into 2? Can we write it as 2 to the power of 3? See, so it can be written as 2 to the power of 3. Here we have written this number here, and how many times we are multiplied here? 1, 2, 3. We are multiplying 2 how many times? 3 times. So that number we have written in the here above 2. Okay. Take another example. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That is equal to 3 to the power of. Write the number here, children. Which number we are multiplying here? Right here. How many times? How many 3's are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will write above 3. ಓಕೆ 3 ನಂಬರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು 4 ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಟೇಕ್ another example. 5 into 5. So which number will you write here? Write the number which we multiplied. Write 5 to the power of. How many 5's are here? 2 5's. We have multiplied 5. How many times? 2 times. So that 2 will be here. So these are called 3 here in 2 to the power of 3. 2 is called base and 3 is called exponent. There are other names for exponent. Power, index, exponent. All are same. Power andru onde, exponent andru onde, index antandrunu onde. 3 to the power of 4. Here what is 3? 3 is called base and 4 is power or exponent. Here 2 is base, 5 is base, 2 is exponent. Okay, children? And these are called, expressing the numbers like this are called exponential form. Okay? Write 4 to the power of 5. Here 4 is called base and 5 is exponent. How will you expand 4 to the power of 5? That is, so base, idana base antevi. 4 into, we have to multiply the base. How many times? Power times. Power ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ನಾವು multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have multiplied 4 5 times. Okay, children? See, what is base? Base is nothing but the number which is multiplied by itself. ಅಲ್ವಾ, ನಾವು ಅದೇ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. 3 to the power of 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 into 3. So it is called base. And what is exponent? So exponent ಏನ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? The number of times a quantity is multiplied by itself. The number of times. So it tells us the number of times that we should multiply a quantity by itself. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ನ ಬೇಸ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಪವರ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ exponential form, children. So before going to the exercise, I'll tell you some laws of exponents. There are some rules here. Okay, so before solving, ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Laws of exponents or rules of exponents. First one, a to the power of m into a to the power of n. This is general form, children. I'll give you example for this. A to the power of m into a to the power of n. If you see the terms here, see the bases are same. Illi a ide, illu saha namge a ide. Bases are same, so you can write a here. Write a, then we are multiplying the terms here, right? There is multiplication sign. We are multiplying a to the power of m and a to the power of n. So multiplication alli ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ when the bases are same, we have to add the powers. That is m plus n. Already I have explained. For example, 2 to the power of 3 into, okay, in x to the power of 3 into x square iddaga ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ವಾ? So xx same ಇದೆ, we should multiply the, sorry, we should add the powers, right? So take example for this. X to the power of 5 into x to the power of 3. Here, which is base here? X is base and 5 is exponent. Here x is base, 3 is exponent. When the bases are same, here bases are ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ x ಇದೆ. So ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬಹುದು? X to the power of, add the power, that is 5 plus 3, x to the power of 8. Take another example. M to the power of 6 into m to the power of 2. That is equal to, bases are same, you can add the powers. So ಯಾವಾಗ add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? when there is multiplication sign, children. Okay, multiplication symbol ಇರಬೇಕು and bases should be equal, then you can add the powers, that is m to the power of 8. So this is first law of exponent. Second one, a to the power of m by a to the power of n. Or you can write it as a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n. When there is multiplication sign, we added the powers, right? So multiplication sign iddaga ನಾವು powers na add ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. But here we have division sign, so we are going to subtract them. That's it. Okay, see, bases are same, a same ide and m minus n. Okay children, see here, a to the power of m ಏನಿದೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ and bring this m to numerator. It becomes minus n. That is a to the power of m minus n. See, division ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು powers ನ subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. I will give you example. X to the power of 5 by x to the power of 2. That is equal to, xx same ಇದೆ, bases are same. Now 5, bring this 2 to numerator, so it becomes minus 2. That is equal to x to the power of 3. Take one more example. M to the power of 8 divided by m to the power of 3. You can write it as m to the power of 8 by m to the power of 3. That is equal to m to the power of 8 minus, bring this to numerator, it becomes minus 3. Then m to the power of 5 is the answer. This is our second law of exponent. Let's go to the third one. A into b whole to the power of m. There are two terms, a and b whole to the power of m. That means this power is related for both a and b. You can split it as a to the power of m into b to the power of m. See, in algebraic identities, see, while solving the problems, we have done like this, right now children? For example, xy whole to the power of 2. ಹೀಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? x square y square ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇದೆಯಾ? So like that, this 2 is related for both x and y here. So x square, y square, like this. a into b whole to the power of m. That means this m is related for both a and b. A to the power of m into a to the power b to the power of m. Take example m into n whole to the power of 3. How can you write this? M cube into n cube, or x into y, xy whole to the power of 5. So how will you write? If there is no any sign, means there will be multiplication sign. Enu sign illa antandre into irutte. So 5 is related for both x and y. That is x to the power of 5, y to the power of 5. This is our third rule. Next, fourth one, a to the power of m whole to the power of n. A to the power of m whole to the power of n. Then you can multiply the powers m into n. Take example, x to the power of 5 whole square. X to the power of 5 whole square. So ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 5 into 2 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. You have to multiply the powers, that is x to the power of 10. Next to fifth rule. What is the value of a to the power of 0? If the exponent or power is 0, the value is 1. A to the power of 0 is 1. X to the power of 0 is 1. 10 to the power of 0 is 1. 1000 to the power of 0 is 1. Okay, children. See, any number to the power 0 is 1. Next to sixth rule. For example, if the power is or exponent is negative, ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಇದನ್ನ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಂ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಆಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ರೈಟ್ 1 by bring this to denominator. It becomes positive. 1 by a to the power of m. So if you bring it into numerator, what happens? So a to the power of m. If you bring it into numerator, so m becomes minus m. Okay. If it is negative, you can write like this. For example, x to the power of minus 2. So ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಾ ಇದನ್ನ? x to the power of minus 2 ಇದೆ. You can write it as 1 by x square. Again, if you bring it into numerator, it becomes x to the power of minus 2. Okay, children. So this is sixth rule. So while solving the problems, you should know all these rules. That's why I'm explaining. And you know how to expand the expansion of the numbers, right? 1425,425. So ಹೇಗೆ expand ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಈ number ನೀವು? 1 into, what is the place value? We write the place value of 1, that is 1000, plus 4 into place value of 4 is 100. What is place value of 2? It is tens. What is the place value of 5? It is ones. Now 10 to the power of, so 10 to the power of ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರೀತೀರಾ? How many zeros are here? 3, right? So we write 10 to the power of 3. That means, what is 10 cube? We have to multiply the base. Andre 10, how many times? Power times, that is 3. 3 times multiply ಮಾಡಿ. 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000. So 10 to the power of 3 is 1000. Plus 4 into 10 to the power of, how many zeros are here? 2. So 10 square anta barಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 10 square is 100. 10 to the power of, how many tens are here? That is 1. 10 to the power of 1 into 5. So how many zeros are here? No zero. So you can write 1 as 10 to the power of 0. So already I had told you any number to the power 0, the value is 1. 10 to the power of 0 is 1. Okay. This is a way of expanding the numbers and writing in exponential form. Yes. Let us go to the exercise 12.1. Evaluate 3 to the power of minus 2. Here power is negative. Power negative ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ. Write 1 by 3 to the power of 2. Okay, children. See 1 by, write 1 by 3 to the power of 2. That's it. So if you bring this to numerator, what happens? 3 to the power of minus 2 baratte. Okay, that is equal to, what is 3 square? Not 6. That is 3 into 3. That is 9. 1 by 9 is the answer. Second one, minus 4 whole to the power of 2. That is equal to. So how can you write this? So you can write it as 1 by minus 4 square. Minus 4. So minus 2 becomes plus 2. We have written in denominator. Minus 4 to the power of 2. If you multiply minus 4 2 times, minus into minus is plus. 4 4s are 16. That is 1 by 16. Third one, 1 by 2 whole to the power of minus 5. That is equal to. See, how can you write this? 1 to the power of minus 5 and 2 to the power of minus 5. Right, children? See, if you bring it into numerator, what happens? It becomes 2 to the power of plus 5. Okay. So directly you can write, don't write this step. Directly you can write. So ulta ನಾವು reciprocal ತಗೊಂಡು direct ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Okay. See 2 by 1 whole to the power of 5. Reciprocal ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ 1 by 2 ನಾನು 2 by 1 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Minus becomes plus. So 2 to the power of 5. That is, what is the value of 2 to the power of 5? That is 2 into, we are multiplying the base. Andre 2. How many times? 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 2s are 32. The value is 32. Next to second question. Simplify. Minus 4 whole to the power of 4 divided by minus 4 whole to the power of 8. So you can write it as minus 4 to the power of 4 by minus 4 to the power of 8. Okay, children, here bases are same. Alva? Bases are same ide. So it is in the form of a to the power of m by a to the power of n. You can write it as a to the power of m minus n. If you bring m to numerator, it becomes minus n. Okay. Now bases are same ide. Write it as minus 4. Sorry, it is 5. Minus 4. 5. Bring this 8 to numerator. It becomes minus 8. So 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8 is how much? Minus 3. that is equal to, see, no, the power is negative here, so positive ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 1 by minus 4 whole cube. Okay children, see, that is equal to minus 4 whole cube minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. Minus into minus is plus, plus into minus, minus 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, but they are not asking the exact value. ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. 1 by minus 4 whole to the power of 3. Second question, second sub question. 1 by 2 to the power of 3 whole to the power of 2. So it is in the form of a to the power of a by b whole to the power of m. This 2 whole to the power of 2 is there. So this 2 is related for both 1 and 2 cube, right? That is equal to a to the power of m by b to the power of n. So you can write it as 1 square by 2 to the power of 3 whole square. That is equal to 1 square is 1, 2 to the power of 3 whole to the power of which formula you are applying here? A to the power of m whole to the power of n. So ಏನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, m into n ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. So 3 2s are 6. This is the answer. Next to third one. Minus 3 whole to the power of 4 into 5 by 3 whole to the power of 4. Write minus 3 whole to the power of 4. Here a by b whole to the power of m formula, law of exponent use ಮಾಡಿ. That is a to the power of m b2. So here write 5 to the power of 4 by 3 to the power of 4. See here it is minus 3 ಇದೆ, it is plus 3 ಇದೆ. So ಹೇಗೆ split ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿಬೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 3 ನ ನಾವು minus 1 whole to the power of 3 into 3 to the power of 4 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Okay, by 3 to the power of 4. See, minus 1 whole to the power of 4 into 3 whole to the power of 4. That is equal to, you can cancel 3 to the power of 4, 3 to the power of 4 gets cancelled, minus 1 to the power of 4. If you multiply minus even number of times, the product will be positive number. Okay, nodi, minus into minus minus into minus, that is plus, minus into minus into minus into minus, we have multiplied 4 times. So here also it is minus into minus is plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. So 2 times multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ plus ಬಂತು, 4 times, 6 times, 8 times. So even number of times multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ plus ಬರುತ್ತೆ. If you multiply odd number of times ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 times multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus. If you multiply 5 times, then also we get negative. Okay, so it is 1 5 to the power of 4. 5 to the power of 4 is the answer. Next one, 3 to the power of minus 7 divided by 3 to the power of minus 10 into 3 to the power of minus 5. So how will you write this? Minus 7 by minus 10 into, so minus 7 ಇದೆ. So bases are same. Bases na ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು problem solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. When the bases are same, then only you can apply the Loss of exponent children ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿ 3 bases same ಇದೆ. So minus 10, if you bring minus 10 to numerator, it becomes plus. Okay, minus idre plus agate, plus idre minus agate. Minus 10, if it comes to numerator, it becomes plus 10. Then we have one more term here, 3 to the power of minus 5 ide. So here also the base is 3. So we can write it as 3 to the power of minus 7 plus 10 minus 5. That is equal to 3 to the power of 10 minus 5 is 5 minus 7 plus 5, that is minus 2. 3 to the power of minus 2. See, the power is negative. So how will you make it positive? 1 by 3 to the power of 2. This is your answer. Fifth sum. 2 to the power of minus 3 into minus 7 whole to the power of 3. Minus 3. See children, here we can apply, see the powers are, exponents are same. A to the power of m into b to the power of m. See, how can you write? Nodi, exponent same ide andaga navu ab whole to the power of m hige baribahudu. Okay, so that write 2 into minus 7 whole to the power of minus 3. 2 into minus 7 whole to the power of minus 3. Exponent same ide, whole bracket bardidevi. Now the exponent is negative, right? So how can you write this? 1 by 2 into minus 7 whole to the power of 3. That is equal to, so how can you write? 2 to the power of 3 2 into minus 7, that is minus 14 whole to the power of 3. This is the answer. Next, third question. Find the value of 3 to the power of 0 plus 4 to the power of minus 1 into 2 square. We know what is the value of 3 to the power of 0. 3 to the power of 0 is 1. Any number to the power 0 is 1. 4 to the power of minus 1. So exponent minus negative ide. So hege baritira 1 by 4 to the power of 1 into 2 square. Now simplify this children. See, 4 to the power of 1 andre 4 irutte. See, LCM is 4 here, right? There is 1 in denominator. To make it 4, you have to multiply by 4 into numerator. Already we have 4 here. Write 1 into numerator plus 2 square. That is equal to 4 into 4 is 4 plus 1. That is 5 by 4. 2 square. That is equal to, right, 5 by, how can you write 4? Can we write it as 2 square plus 2 square? So hege baribodu idanna? 5 into 5 into 2 to the power of minus 2. Nodi, bring this to numerator. It becomes 2 to the power of minus 2 plus 2 square. Sorry, it is not plus. Into ಇದೆ. Into. Write 5 into 2 to the power of minus 2 into 2 to the power of 2. Bases are same. Write 2. Add the powers. 5 into 2 to the power of plus 2 minus 2 cancels. That is 5 into 2 to the power of 0 is 1. Answer is 5. Next question. Two to the power of minus 1, 4 to the power of minus 1 divided by 2 to the power of minus 2. See, all our negative exponents are negative here. See which law we are using here. That is a to the power of minus m idre hege baritira 1 by a to the power of m. So like that here also write 2 to the power of 1 into 1 by 4 to the power of 1 divided by 1 by just 1 ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀವಿ 2 to the power of minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by 2 to the power of 1. ಸೊ minus 1 ಇರೋದು plus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರೋದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ 2 to the power of minus 2 ಇದೆ 1 by 2 to the power of 2 ಬರೀತೀವಿ. Okay. Now 2 to the power of 1 is nothing but 2. 4 to the power of 1 is 4. 2 in that is 8 by 2 square, that is 4. All of you know fraction division, right now children? See, first fraction as it is, we have to change the sign in division ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ fraction ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ sign ಅನ್ನ change ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, change this division symbol into multiplication sign. After changing the sign, you have to take the reciprocal of second fraction. First fraction as it is ಬರೀತೀವಿ, change the sign, take reciprocal. Reciprocal ಅಂದ್ರೆ numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. That is 4 by 1. Change the sign, take reciprocal of second fraction, that is 4 by. Next you can cancel 4 ones, 4 twos. Answer is 1 by 2. Next, third question. 1 by 2 whole to the power of minus 2. 1 by 3 whole to the power of minus 2. 1 by 4 whole to the power of minus 2. Yes. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ 2 is in denominator here, right? No, so simply we can write it as that is equal to, just change the numerators and denominators. Okay, so we can write it as 2 to the power of 2 plus 3 square plus 4 square. That's it. Say 1 to the power of 1 by 2 whole to the power of minus 2, right? 2 to the power of minus 2 ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, if you bring it into numerator, so ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 to the power of plus 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. minus 2 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು plus 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Two square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 20. Answer is 29. Fourth question. 3 to the power of minus 1 plus 4 to the power of minus 1 plus 5 to the power of 1 minus 1 whole to the power of 0. We can write the answer directly as 1 because any number to the power 0 answer is 1. Okay, ನಿಮಗೆ 1 lakh million billion ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಇರಲಿ ಪವರ್ 0 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ the value is 1 because a to the power of n ಬರಿಬಹುದು. Next to fifth sum, minus 2 by 3 whole to the power of minus 2 whole to the power of 2. That is equal to, we can use this formula a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to into n. Write this as minus 2 into 2 that is equal to whole to the power of minus 4. Since the exponent is negative, in ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, just change the numerator and denominator. It becomes 3 minus 2 whole to the power of 4. Okay, children? That is equal to 3 to the power of 4 minus 2 whole to the power of 4. That is equal to, what is 3 to the power of 4? That is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 into 3, that is 81. 2 into minus minus plus minus plus. 2 2s are 4. 4 4s are 16. This is the answer. Okay, children, I think all of you understood all the concepts. Okay, just if you know the laws of exponents, you can solve any sums. Okay, once again recall all the laws of exponents. Exponents the laws ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ solve ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay, it is very easy chapter and we have only one more exercise. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you.